Hi guys, welcome back to Shweta's studio. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're still figuring out the celebration plans, then I have got some very easy recipes and interesting gift ideas to make it special. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start by preparing the perfect drink to uplift the mood. Sangria is my favorite cocktail for such occasions. It's refreshing and easy to drink. To make this drink, you can use any fruits of your choice. In general, you can never go wrong with a blend of juicy apples, oranges, pear, and some strawberries. Here, I have chopped fruits into tiny pieces so that you don't get large chunk of it while drinking the sangria. Sangria is a Spanish drink which can be made with either red or white wine. For this recipe, any wine that you enjoy drinking is a good choice. If you like it a bit strong, you can go ahead and add a shot of vodka or rum. Now, let's add in the cut fruits into it. Based on the sweetness of fruits and what wine you have got, you can also add in dash of icing sugar to add little bit of sweetness to the sangria. Mix it well and leave aside for a perfect infusion of flavors. Anywhere from 6 to 12 hours is just perfect. Sangria gets better and better as it sits. After the flavors have been well infused and whenever you are ready to serve, add some fizz here to give sangria a little pop and to brighten up everything. I have used Sprite here. You could also use club soda if you don't prefer it to be much sweet. Now for appetizer, we need an equally tasty dish which is easy, fresh and full of flavors. And with red wine sangria, there can be nothing better than an Italian bruschetta. So let us start by chopping few veggies for the topping. Bruschetta isn't always about tomatoes. It can be made with other ingredients too, like mushrooms or cheese. But this particular combination is my favorite. You can go ahead and experiment with whatever veggies you have. Italian basil takes it to another level. In case you don't find fresh ones, you can also use this store-bought dried basil. Now take chopped veggies in a mixing bowl and season it with some black pepper, red chili flakes and salt. Drizzle some olive oil, around a teaspoon or so. Mix it well and keep it aside. In the meantime, let's toast the bread. Take a pan on medium heat and put generous amount of olive oil. Use baguette here. In India, it's difficult to find good baguette or French bread. In that case, you may use any sliced bread that you find easily. A perfectly toasted bread is warm, crisp and lightly charred outside and still chewy inside. That is what makes all the difference. Now let's place the prepared topping on the toasted bread. When you love someone, you want to express the feeling, and a card does it beautifully. Having said that, nothing carries more spark than a handmade one. To begin with, Take an A4 size paper and draw the idea with pencil first. After that, fold the paper in half. And now, let's start giving it the shape. If you are looking for some last minute gift idea, then this gift box is easiest and one of my favorite. Best thing is that this can be customized as per the budget. To begin with, first find a box. If you can't find one, you can also go for a paper bag or a basket. Now, fill in this box with different things that he or she would love. Here I am showing you some of the items to give an idea. Do let me know in the comment section below which idea did you like the most. Thanks for watching. जल्दी ही मिलेंगे और नए ideas के साथ. Till then, keep smiling.